Hi students, I'm Anuj. Exams for July 2021 are finally over. I've got some big announcement to be making towards the end of this video, so ensure that you watch this complete video. Exams of July 2021 were held. Many questions were there in our book or were close to whatever we all have done in class. We do take pride in delivering you all the best of the content, most exhaustive content that is there. To continue with that tradition only, we are launching our next live virtual batch. This batch will be starting on 4th of September. We had already started one batch in April 2021 that is about to be getting over. One more batch we are starting now. From 4th of September, this will be a weekend batch. Weekend batch will be held on Saturday, Sunday, 7 AM to 12 PM with 30 minutes of break, and on Monday, 7:30 PM to 9:30 PM. Now, in this live virtual batch, what do we offer to you? We offer to you in this case, in all 5 books. Out of that, one will be our practical book that will consist of all the questions that we are going to be doing live. Then one workbook that will be there. Apart from that, we are going to be giving you all one colored case study and theory book and one blast from the past. 5th book is going to be case study digest book. ICA in Jan 2021 had launched the case study digest. The lectures of that are already there and it has been given to our current students. Okay, but the book of that will be given to you all. Now, all our past students will be able to get this book from our centers whenever we all inform them. Now, this batch is going to be commencing on 4th of September and will be going over till 31st of December. So therefore, you should be availing this particular batch if your attempt is May 2022 and onwards. The complete details are on our website ajnextonline.com, including the index of all the books as such. Okay. Now, for anybody who was a AJNX student and who has studied from 15th edition of our book and before that. Although those students who had studied from 15th edition of our book, they have already got each and everything, including the upgrade to the 16th edition. All the extra questions that have come in the 16th edition are already there, even with the 15th edition students through their lifetime updates. But that batch, we could not hold it live because of the lockdown. So in case any student whose attempt is there in May 2022 and onwards, you all can avail this entire batch with a validity of 6 months for only rupees 8,000 instead of 28,320. This one-time offer is for all the past AJNX students who have studied from 15th edition or before. Now, this batch will be held live. There will be 200 hours of practical with 100 hours of backup being given to you. Apart from that, there will be case study and theory that will be given to you all recorded. Then there will be all the RTPs, all the past papers that will be given to you. Each and every material of the institute will be done by us. Rest, everything is there in this prospectus. This prospectus you all can find on our website. This prospectus you can find on our Telegram channel. The link of that I'm giving below. Avail this one-time offer in case you want to be studying this entire batch live this time. Or if it has been a long time that you have done your SCMPE and your attempt is May 2022 also. And if you are a past student, then in that case you all can be going for it. Do take advantage of this. This course will be most comprehensive from the latest edition and you will be treated completely like a fresher. It's only that a validity of 6 months will be applicable to you as compared to our regular students whose validity for practical course is 6 months, for case study theory is 2 years, and they get a lifetime updates. Okay, so for this batch you will be getting in this case a validity of 6 months. Lifetime updates you already have with you all. So do take advantage of this, spread this to all your friends. We'll be starting this batch on 4th of September 2021. Mark the date. One last thing. This upgrade scheme is only applicable if you will take the admission from 20th of July to 5th of August. On 5th of August at 12 PM, we will be stopping the admissions. Thank you guys. All the best. Take care. Bye.